press the unit button, and then press the on-off button, and that's going to bring up the calibration menu. Now you can either calibrate using grams or pounds. Right now it's on grams. To change that, press the unit button to pounds, back to grams. Once you've selected the measure you're going to use, press the 0 button. Now you can select exactly how much weight you're going to be using. Now to move the cursor from the left to the right, press the unit key. Okay, we're going to go over to 200. Now if you wanted to change that, say if you were going to use 300 grams to calibrate, press the tare button. You can go all the way up to 9, but we're going to use 200 grams. Now once we're ready to select the weight we're using, press the 0 key again, and that's going to bring up the AD value menu, and that's just a series of random numbers while the scale is calibrating. Now you look for the arrow pointing to the stable indicator, and once that arrow is lit up, press the unit key. And we're just going to look for the 00 save. Okay, 00 save. Now it's ready for 200 grams on the scale. I'm going to put my test weight on there. Wait for the stable arrow to come on, and once that comes on, press the unit key again, and just wait a few seconds and it'll say 00 save again. There it is, and then it goes back to the AD value. Take your weights off, press the off button, and the setting is saved.